will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty instead of all the things you are to me. I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made to you.